To code in Python, first we need is an IDE, which means Integrated Development Environment, where we can code and execute it. We will use Pycharm as our IDE. Now go to your browser and search for Pycharm. Now go to this first website called JetBrains. Now I'm gonna press the download option. Now as we are gonna use the free option, let's download the community version of this Pycharm. We will wait for a couple of minutes to download the Pycharm. As you see, our Pycharm has downloaded. We will press the next option. We will keep this destination folder and press next. We will click this and add a bin folder to the path and press next. Has completed. Now we will press finish. Now as you see, our Pycharm has installed perfectly, and now we can have a new project and code.